Model, 2007 Volkswagen Transporter T32 130PS TDI PD long wheelbase, 2.5 crew cab. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 197397. Engine, 2460 cc BNZ 130 bhpe4. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs underpowered. Needs injector number 2 replacing, error codes for MAF sensor. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. All in all a great little easy project and won't cost a lot to rectify. Features, 3 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the